snitch rat boy, dick sucking rat boy for money. Sneeze. Bro, every time she try to tell you, man, she done, and every time your sorry, worthless maggot of a person, why do you think she wants you, bro? She don't want you. I mean, she do. She's hiding it good. And you know what? I don't know what she was doing, letting you mess around with her. Because, bro, you are a stalker, bro. You are a stalker and a victim. You should write a book on how to be a victim, even though you're using the wrong of everything you said. Bro, you are such a pussy. Crybaby. Jesus, man. It's bad enough you can't fight. Then you lie and say you're in a boxing thing when you're terrible. I mean, Jesus. Have some balls, man. God. You lie about everything that come out of your mouth. You can't even stop lying about having these cars in the house. I mean, bro, just shut the F up. Always running your mouth. It's all lies. And then on top of it being all lies, you sound like a crybaby doing it. I've never in my life witnessed anybody like you in my life, bro. I'm gonna be straight up with you, man. And your punk butt need to stop acting like, oh, that means I'm tough if I can cry and be a stalker. I mean, bro, you are a stalker to a person that literally tried everything in her power to say, get away from her. Stay away from me. You are a maggot. A maggot loser. Loser, low-life coward. Bro, I've never seen a more pathetic loser in my life, bro. You are, I see why your family don't love you, man. Bro, you deserve it. You deserve everything that comes to you. Because you don't get it. You don't get the hint. I mean, it's like, good Lord, man. You just don't see this every day. A person that refused to let it go. The chick don't want you. And it's her dumb fault for even letting you have sex with her. Because all thing she did to you is threw freaking gas to that fire, because you are overwhelmingly just a stalker, bro. You go to jail, man, because you just stalk her like it's like no tomorrow, man. You really act like if you don't watch every move she make and watch with the bride when the bride goes to the bathroom, bro. You one of those people that just pop up over her house without asking her. Oh yeah, I think that's you all day, bro. Wow. She don't like you, she don't want you, but you just keep on coming back. And then you snitch on her and then try to say you're trying to help her. Hey, shut up, man. You just a snitch. God dang it, boy. You just can't help yourself. Bro, you are just a shame You are a baby dick loser. You are nothing no more, nothing less than a coward, pussy. You can't fight. You can't even barely talk. You only act like you tough when either it's a chick or somebody that can't get you, that can't find you because they ain't from there. That's the only reason why you do what you do. Talk trash and then run and hide, knowing people can't come get you because, for one, Texas is huge. Two, you stay in so many shelters. Try to call them hotels. They ain't no hotel, bro. Stop it. You just stop it, bro. I ain't homeless. Yeah, okay. Yeah, you ain't homeless, all right. Whoa. Bro, you are good and homeless. Good and homeless. 'Cause you are good and homeless. And sucking meat. And sucking meat. 'Cause you a loser. Yes, you are. And for the 890th time, bro, why do you think telling people that lie of, I got $2,400 in the bank? You know you don't. Stop. Maybe. Have you ever thought about stop lying? And maybe somebody might think you are a 1/5 of a okay person if you stop lying. Because I tell you right now, bro, you have done none but through, bro. You have no idea what's coming for you. No idea. Because if you did, you wouldn't be running your mouth now. I'm telling you straight up. It is coming, bro. You have called us the N-word for the last time. You have called the Mexican or Puerto Ricans racial slurs, spics, and all that good stuff. All that crappy stuff you say. And for the Jews, you just think you cute. So, I'm going to tell you this. You better have your head on a swivel. Because I am making sure we coming for you. Real good, bro. Trust me. We'll make you cry even more. Loser. Emailed somebody 170 times in one day trying to say that's okay. Shut up lying. You know that's not good. But no. What you do? It's love. 170 times is love. That means I care. Get that. If I know what that means you're a stalker. That means you never had a woman before her, and you acting so obsessed with her, like Jesus, she the best thing since sliced bread. That's why you act that way, because you ain't nothing but a Looney Tune. I'm leaving with this faggot pussy. Your days are numbered. Trust me.